So hello little ones, how are you all? Hope you all are staying happy at home. So here we are going to begin with the cursive worksheet, cursive classes with worksheet number 33 and 34. So as usual we do have 4 sentences in page number 34 and 33. So now let's see what these sentences are. In page number 33 we have camel is called the ship of the desert, isn't it? Isn't it true? So here we are going to deal with 3 universal facts. We are going to deal with 3 facts and something which helps in our daily life. That is, we must respect our elders, isn't it? So the first sentence is camel is called the ship of the desert, isn't it? Actually, a desert is a vast sea-like, isn't it? There are no roads, there are no junctions and all. So it is like it stays stable everywhere. It's all sand, isn't it? So it's all a dry land everywhere. And camel is the only animal which we use in desert to travel even to a distant or to a faraway places. Okay. So camel is called as a ship of the desert. I hope you have learned this in your smaller classes also. So camel is called the ship of the desert. And the second sentence we have, we must respect our elders. We should be modest towards our elders. Okay, so this sentence actually, it is for our life. We should always respect your elders. Maybe it is your parents or your teachers, or maybe your brothers or sisters or uncles or relatives or anybody. You must respect them, you must obey them. Okay, so these 2 sentences are really good for your life. Now let's see, one is a GK and the other is a sentence, moral sentence. So how to put these into the lines? Let's see. Camel is called the ship of the desert. Capital C A M E L. Camel is called C A L L E D, called the THE, the ship of the desert. SHIP, ship. OF, of, the. THE, the desert. DESERT, desert, and then full stop. So this is our first sentence. Now let's move on to the second sentence in page number 33. So next sentence is, we must respect our elders. Capital W, W-E, we must. M-U-S-T, must. Respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T, respect. Our. O-U-R, our. Elders. E-L-D-E-R-S, elders. So these are the sentences for page number 33. Now let's move on to page number 34 and see what it is written there. See, the first sentence is, we have 2 sentences which is a universal fact. The sun gives us heat and light. Repeat, children. The sun gives us heat and light. So this you might have studied in your previous classes, and of course you know this, isn't it? The sun gives us heat and light. And the second sentence is as, the earth moves around the sun. The earth moves around the sun. So let's see, be careful when you write the words sun, earth and all, because these are nouns, these are common nouns, which means So our first sentence is the sun gives us heat and light. So when we write this, we have to write S as capital. Okay, S as capital. The sun's S should be capital. It is the name of a particular object. So we have to write it in capital letters. Only the first letter should be capital. And even earth. Earth is a name particularly given for an object. Earth, our earth, Mother Earth is only one. Okay, so we are giving it a name Earth. It's a planet, it's a Earth. So E should be capital. The Earth moves around the sun. Again, the sun comes here. So that S also should be written in capital form. Okay, so now let's begin with the first sentence. Capital, we starts with T, the capital T. T, H, E, the. We are writing sun. So S should be capital. S-U-N, sun, gives us, G-I-V-E-S, gives, us, U-S, us, heat, H-E-A-T, heat, and, A-N-D, and, light, L-I-G-H-T, light. So this is our first sentence. The sun gives us heat and light. Let's move on to the second sentence, and it begins as the earth moves around the sun. We are beginning with capital letter T, H, E, D. We pronounce this word as D because the next word starts with E, earth. It's a vowel. E-A-R-T-H, earth. The earth. And we have given capital letter for E, earth also. Okay. The earth moves. M-O-V-E-S, moves around. A-R-O-U-N-D, around the, again sun, S should be capital, S-U-N, sun, and then full stop. So these are the 4 sentences for today. Children, please do practice this at home, and when you write page number 34, do not forget to write S in the first line for sun, E and S in the middle of these lines. We have E and S for earth and sun again. So that is all for today. Children, stay healthy, stay safe, and practice all the sentences and learn good, children. Bye-bye.